Windows 7 taskbar icon highlight sticks. After running Windows 7 for some unknown period of time, the taskbar icon highlight starts to stick. Video demo here. This URL. If I restart or kill explorer.exe and relaunch, it goes away. Any idea what might be causing this?
I found that shift right-clicking on any taskbar item brings up the pre-7 context menu, and after it's dismissed, the highlight is not stuck anymore. No idea what's causing this though, but I hope it's a monthly update fixable type of bug.
It seems that few people on the internet have any knowledge of accessibility, because any search for this issue brings only up the shift plus right click trick. For numerous reasons, it is not always possible to use the keyboard and mouse at the same time. Here is how you can accomplish it with just the mouse and just the keyboard. With only the mouse, right-click one of the taskbar buttons, left-click a button, wait for the arrow preview window to pop up over the button, right-click it to open the context menu, then click somewhere else to dismiss the menu. With just the keyboard, hold the Win key and press a number corresponding to one of the taskbar buttons, for example, Win +1 to access the first button. Alternately, you can press Win +T to focus the taskbar, then tab to the first button. Now you can press the Apps/Context key to open the context menu, then escape to dismiss it. Regardless, this is still only a temporary fix, and the problem usually returns fairly quickly. In my experience, it only takes a couple of window restores/minimizes to trigger the sticking again. Sometimes it happens every few seconds. Column.
I am glad I am not the only one, but hey, low priority, sure it won't block or break anything, just one of the main new features of Windows 7, the taskbar arrow preview, which can be very useful sometimes for some applications that use this feature. Frown. Another workaround is to move one of the taskbar icon, left-click, slightly and then hover another icon to restore the arrow preview, but it doesn't stick and the bug unfortunately comes back.
This happened to me until I upgraded my laptop's graphics driver to the real NVIDIA driver, not the default one Windows used.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.